This is a 4-row repeat worked on a multiple of 2 plus 1. For my sample, I cast on 15 stitches with DK weight yarn and US size 7 needles. And this is what the back looks like. For row 1, you're going to start by purling the first stitch, and then you're going to repeat knit 1, purl 1 for the rest of the row. So you just knit 1 and purl 1. For row 2, start by knitting the first stitch, and then you're going to repeat purl 1, knit 1 for the rest of the row. So you just purl 1, knit 1. For row 3, you're just going to purl all stitches. And for row 4, you're just going to knit all stitches. And you just repeat those 4 rows for the pattern.